Let's start with 3 chill steps to lock in your healthy eating boundaries. Step 1. Map your no-go zone plate. Firstly, grab a plate and let's divide it like a pie. The one half we'll use for our vegetables and make it colorful. Those boring heroes. And then we'll divide our plate again into 2 quarters. The 1 quarter for our protein, the muscle fuel, and then energy vibes, our carbohydrates for the other quarter. We can add thumb-sized amounts of fats on top of our food. And boom, a visual boss mode. So let's prevent those oops, all chips moments. Step 2, set your eat window alarm. Say 8 to 10 hours, maybe from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Let your alarm say something like, "Chow time over," and let us sip our tea after. Remember, fasting feels fancy, not hangry. Your gut will thank you with 0 drama. Step 3, do a weekly boundary checking. Make it a Sunday ritual. Jot down 3 wins and a tweak. Like for instance, this week I did well on eating salads, but I ate a bit too much cheese. On this day, treat yourself to a fun bite, but keep it light though. This helps for sustainability. Please do share with a friend that needs this glow up. I wonder who's going to start step 1 first. Today's move, 10 curtsy lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you're up for it, repeat that 10.